Friends, colleagues, dreamers, look around you. Look at the faces filled with potential, with aspirations, with dreams yet to be fully realized. Have you ever looked up at the stars and dreamt of something more? Have you ever felt a fire within you, a burning desire to achieve something significant, something meaningful, something beyond what seems possible? We are all born with dreams, tiny whispers in our hearts that grow into roaring ambitions. But somewhere along the way, life throws up barriers. These barriers come in many forms: self-doubt, fear of failure, societal expectations, lack of resources, past disappointments. The list goes on. These barriers can feel like insurmountable walls, locking us in, telling us to be realistic, to settle for less, to stay within the lines drawn by others or even ourselves. But I am here to tell you today that those lines, those walls, those barriers, they are illusions. They are constructs of the mind, shadows of fear, not solid, unbreakable realities. The truth is, limits are often self-imposed. We tell ourselves, I can't. I'm not good enough. It's too difficult. And in doing so, we build our own prisons. Think about it. Every great achievement in history, every groundbreaking invention, every artistic masterpiece, every social movement, it all began when someone dared to break a barrier, to go beyond the perceived limits of their time. The Wright brothers defied gravity. Marie Curie challenged the boundaries of science. Nelson Mandela dismantled apartheid. They all faced immense obstacles, yet they chose to push beyond, to believe in the impossible. So, how do we break these barriers in our own lives? How do we move beyond our perceived limits and step into the realm of our dreams? It's a journey, not a single leap. It requires a shift in mindset, a change in perspective, and consistent action. Firstly, it starts with belief. You must believe in your dream, in your potential, in your capacity to overcome challenges. Self-doubt is a dream killer. Replace those negative voices with affirmations of your strength, your resilience, and your worth. Tell yourself, I can learn, I can grow, I am capable. Secondly, identify your barriers. What are the specific obstacles holding you back? Is it fear of criticism? Is it procrastination? Is it a lack of specific skills? Once you identify them, you can start to dismantle them one by one. Break down those large, intimidating walls into smaller, manageable bricks. Thirdly, take action, even if it's small. Dreams don't become reality by wishful thinking. Action is the bridge between aspiration and achievement. Start with small steps. Learn a new skill, reach out to a mentor. Dedicate time each day to your dream, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Consistent, small actions compound over time and create momentum. Fourthly, embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Setbacks are inevitable. You will stumble. You will face disappointments. You will encounter moments where you feel like giving up. But failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone towards it. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Every failure is a lesson in disguise. Fifthly, seek support and build your network. You don't have to do it alone. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who encourage you, who challenge you to grow. Find mentors, join communities, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Collaboration and support are powerful catalysts for breaking barriers. Finally, never lose sight of your why. Why is this dream important to you? What impact will it have on your life and perhaps on the lives of others? Connect to that deep, personal purpose. Your why will be your anchor when the winds of adversity blow strong. It will fuel your determination and keep you going when the journey gets tough. Friends, the world needs your dreams, your unique talents, your passions, your vision. They are valuable and needed. Don't let self-imposed limits or external barriers hold you back from contributing your unique gift to the world. The path beyond limits is not always easy, but it is always worth it. It's a path of growth, of discovery, of fulfillment. It's a path where you uncover your true potential and realize that you are capable of far more than you ever imagined. So I urge you today, look inwards, identify your dreams, acknowledge your barriers, and then, with courage and determination, start breaking them down. Step beyond your comfort zone, challenge the status quo, and redefine what is possible for yourself and for the world. Go beyond your limits, break those barriers, and achieve your dreams. The world is waiting for you to unleash your potential. Thank you.